Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over this Stand Store Community app tutorial. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and use the Stand Store Community app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, the app that we're going to go ahead and install is if you go into the App Store and then afterwards, you're going to click or search for Stand Community. It's this app right over here. Go ahead and install this. Now, once you install it, go ahead and open it up and log in. And then once you're logged in, you're going to see a list of all your communities. Now, if you don't see your list of communities, that means you're still going to have to join. But here, once you join a community, it should populate here. Go ahead and click onto that community. So on this community, or in any community actually, you can go ahead and create new posts. You can filter between posts depending on what the admin has added. You can scroll down and read other people's posts. Then if you click on chat on the bottom left-hand corner, you can access any private messages where individuals may have messaged you within the community. Now, there's an activity tab down here as well. This is where it's going to show you your notifications. So anytime that you've been replied to or anytime that you've been tagged in a reply, this is where it's going to be appearing. And so with that, the next thing that you want to go ahead and do is you can actually filter your notifications by this week. And then settings is going to be where you can change your profile image, change your display name, change your bio, add your social media links, change your notifications, and change your password. Now, if you go back home and then click on the upper right-hand corner where it says the hamburger icon, this is where you can find helpful links and what the community is about. And you could also use the magnifying glass to search for any specific words. So this is going to search different posts and comments throughout this community. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use the Stand Store Community app in this tutorial. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.